this works. Validate the idea through marketing. What do people want? How do I position my business to be within what people want? Once you can do that, they will give you all the money in the world. Because the marketing gets easy when the offer is good. It's the offer first, or the product first. You validate what is it that the people want, and then they'll give you money.
Got it.
All right. So research, market research. And now with the use of AI, you can literally validate this with deep research. You can hit up Claude, right? Are you familiar with Claude? Gemini?
Yeah. Anthropic.
Yeah, exactly. So this is where you use AI to your advantage. AI is not going to create for you, but it can go do research for you. I would suggest use Gemini for this. So let me give you some secrets. You use Claude to write the prompt. You tell Claude, you describe your idea. Tell Claude to give you, hey, this is my business. This is my idea. I want to validate it, and I want to learn as much about the industry as possible and figure out what's going to work. Give me the best prompt. You're going to tell Claude, give me the best prompt to put into Gemini to do the best deep research on what's working right now for my business, what's not working, what angles and culture I can create so my business is validated through the marketing. You would take that prompt, you would go put it into Gemini. Gemini will spend hours doing research for you. It will report to you back a research paper. You take that research paper. I'm gonna slow down. Write this down. This is important. So go step by step. Make sure you got the notes, and I keep telling you what to do. Let me know when you're ready for the next step.
All right, got it. I got the last idea here.
Yeah. So once Gemini gives you back the research, you're gonna then go back to Claude. You're gonna create a project, a Claude project. You're gonna insert this Gemini research into the Claude project, and then you're gonna start giving it more. You're gonna give the Claude project more information about you, what your designs are, right? Some customer interactions that you've already had. And then you're gonna start to create an actual marketing strategy on how you're gonna execute based on market research, how to validate your offer, validate your product in your current market. You need to figure out what the culture in your city. What part of Cali? What city in Cali are you in? You're in Cali, man. Go ahead.
Cali, yeah, just Cali. That's the city.
Yeah, I'm tripping. So I
remember that video. You were visiting a park called El Parque del Perro, and you were like in that area where there's a lot of restaurants, kind of like hanging around there. I remember an old video.
I was only in Bogota and Medellin.
Really?